How to create screws and nuts while modeling. Select screw and nut from the generators. Click Generate Screw and a threaded object is created. Click Generate Nut and an hexagonal-shaped object is created. On the left side panel, there are settings to adjust the objects. The settings adjust the radius, height of the screw, and also number of threads. The tip scale and the top offset adjust the head of the screw. Adjust the size of the screw threads using the thread scale. Use outside edges to adjust the nut and finalize the two objects. Check the link to the full video on the description.